Happy St. Patrick's Day. I'm here to tell you today that I am launching the Irish Mint. The Irish Mint has officially started, and I'm going to be producing beautiful coins over the next year to be sold to you beautiful silver stackers. This is what you want, but you're going to get it with my Irishness on it. The shamrock's going to be put on as a logo. That's where we're going. We're going to be developing leprechaun gold. We're going to be doing the Titanic coin. We're going to be doing Harlan the Wolf coins, the Giant's Causeway coins, Dublin Castle coins. We're going to be doing loads of coins with a lot of Irish and Northern Irish stars. We're going to be doing gold, silver and copper. This is my future. The Irish Mint Limited is my company, started today, and next year is going to be the first of the coins. So, to celebrate, I am challenging you to come and see me on Whatnot tonight, where I'm going to be selling 50,000 pounds of this gorgeous stuff here. 50 grand of silver. 50,000 pounds of silver. And I'm going to be doing it for a bargain. That's what I'm going to do to celebrate my St. Patrick's Day launch of Irish Mint. I've got gold, I've got platinum, I've got all types of silver, from Daffy Duck to the beautiful Cougarand. The beautiful Cougarand. Oh, the beautiful, right to the beautiful Cougarand. This is a gorgeous coin. I've got loads of it here. Who wants it? You go on to Whatnot tonight. There's the link. There's my show. And here is the logos and the websites in which I will be starting, and I will be selling my coins now with my prints and my artistry on it. So celebrate the show. Come and see me. Talk about what I'm doing. Ask me questions. Give me ideas for the future. It's coming. The Irish Mint has just started. Be a part of history, guys. This is going to be a historic. The first ever mint in Ireland. The first ever commercial mint in Ireland. I am the proud founder of it, and I'm looking forward to investing the rest of my life into the success. Thanks for watching, and remember, come tonight, St. Paddy's Day, 6 o'clock, you can get silver really cheap. There it is. Thanks for watching.